For her SLE equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside of Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're looking at the Snapper 360Z with the 48-inch cutting deck. So this mower does feature the 48-inch cutting deck. Here we have your movable floor panel so you can get to your maintenance points. Your cushioned seat. Does have your cup holders built in. So this does have your cup holders built in. And here we have your fuel tank, which does hold 3 gallons of fuel. Does have maintenance-free aluminum spindles, as well as your deck wash port here. This does feature a 23 horsepower Briggs & Stratton PXI ReadyStart engine. That means you're going to have no prime, no choke. This also does have the Hydro Gear EZTs. Your controls here, hour meter. Does have a plastic chute. Your cutting heights are foot pedal operated, and they do vary between 1.5 inches and 4.5 inches. Once again, this is the Snapper 360Z with the 48-inch cutting deck. If you're interested in this mower or any of the mowers on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 615-641-7720. Not only do we have these great mowers in stock, we also have handhelds, trailers, and we can make you a great package deal.